Hi there, Holly Blazina here, and I've got another Solea Falseta for you coming right up. It's an extension of one of the ones I posted earlier with a bit of a variation in it, but I will be using it for one of the summer programs I'm offering, so I thought I would put it out here. And if you'd like a little tutorial on it, there'll be one, like a little tutorial video in my Facebook group. You can be part of that group just by adding your name to my mailing list from my website. The link is below the video. And yeah, then just either put in a request on Facebook to be part of it, or I'll see that you've added your name to my list and I'll take a look for you on Facebook and add you myself. So about the falseta, I put the capo on the 3rd fret because there's an overreach in one of the chords toward the end of the falseta, and I thought it's going to be easier for some people to accomplish that overreach with the capo on. But if you're someone who wants to do it without the capo, you can either work down or take it off altogether. The other recommendation that I would have is to practice putting the capo up higher, so that if you're ever working with a singer, then you've got the full, you can put the capo anywhere and you'll be comfortable playing the falseta, because it really does feel very different in all the positions. So yeah, so here it is.